Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can turn on autoplay video on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Play Store and write here Facebook and make sure your Facebook should be updated. After updating, open it and you will see three line on top right. Click on it and you will see setting and privacy option. Click on it and click on setting options, and here you will search media options and then click on it, and here you will see autoplay. If you want to autoplay on mobile data and Wi-Fi, then click on it, or if you only want to autoplay on Wi-Fi, then click on Wi-Fi. So after this, you can turn on autoplay video on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.